Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by cutting network access so Windows won't push Microsoft sign-in. Once offline, pick Personal Setup and search for the Offline Account or Limited Experience option. This avoids Microsoft account creation. Enter a local username, create a strong password, and pick security questions. Make this first account an administrator so you can install apps and change settings later. Do this now because it prevents automatic linking to a Microsoft identity during initial setup and keeps control on your device. Once done with initial setup, reconnect to the network and immediately verify you're using a local account under Settings Accounts. If you need more users, add them via Family and Other Users and select Add Someone without a Microsoft account. That creates local profiles. Make choices about sign-in options. You can add a PIN for convenience without switching to a Microsoft account. Also review privacy and diagnostic settings to reduce telemetry. These steps harden your local experience while keeping functionality like store. Finish by confirming recovery options and backups. Create a second local admin, record passwords, and build a recovery drive. If you ever end up signed into a Microsoft account, convert back at settings your info sign in with a local account instead and follow prompts. If Windows forces Microsoft sign in during OOB, put the device in airplane mode or press Shift plus F10 to open a command prompt and create a local user with net user commands. This bypass is the key troubleshooting trick if setup blocks you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.